Hello, Jan here, and welcome to today's forest bathing while self-isolating. 30 days of nature tonic where I take you out into nature as an antidote to all the news at the moment. It's very quiet. Can you hear? There's no birds. It's a very warm day. I think they're having a siesta. And also I'm out on an area of grassland, not in the usual woods. I'm in an area of grassland beside the woods for a special reason. So I've just had to give myself a talking to and stop filming this tree. I've never visited it close up before. It's absolutely beautiful. And there are the most amazing, beautiful patterns in the roots and the bark around the base, which I got a little bit excited about taking artistic shots, but that's not why I'm here. The reason I'm here is because I came for a walk the day before yesterday and I made an amazing find. This area is pure sand, really. It's very, very sandy soil. And where the rabbits have been digging out, it looks like sandcastles at the seaside. And I found this. So this is the core left behind when someone has been making blades from stone. This is a flint stone, and I'll show you more closely later, but you can see the areas where the flints have been knocked off with a hammerstone. And I also found a blade. Here it is. So here is the blade that I found. So this area is not known as a prehistoric settlement, and so this is a new discovery and I'm sharing it with you. You heard it first here. It's so exciting. So, having the immense privilege to hold this, I'm the first person to hold this since it went into the ground and was covered over, who knows how many thousand years ago. That's what's so thrilling about finding flint tools. So it's a tremendous privilege, and it always sets me thinking about time and human time and natural time and geological time, and it puts everything into perspective for me. The person that used this to make blades was living a natural lifestyle. They were living with nature, in harmony with nature, hunting, gathering, maybe growing some crops. But they understood the importance of the interdependence between humans and nature. And we've gone astray, haven't we? And we need to get back to a respect of nature and a working alongside nature rather than a domination. And so this stone is very humbling for me. I would love to know who this person was, what their life was like, what their family was like. It really sets my imagination alive to hold something like this in my hand. It's very precious. So thanks for joining me today. I'm glad you could come. It's goodbye from me and my little stone, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.